Before installing the Alula Video Doorbell, you should have the following tools on hand: voltage meter, wire strippers, cordless drill, screwdriver, and a pencil or marker. Test the existing doorbell, making sure that it rings and there is power supplied to the doorbell. Using the voltage meter, test the voltage at the existing doorbell to confirm there is at least 16 volts. If there's fewer than 16 volts, you may need to replace the transformer. If the home's transformer is not working, installing a 16-volt AC plug-in transformer is a quick and permanent fix to address a faulty power supply problem. Before getting started, we'll need to shut off the power to the doorbell at the circuit breaker. Check whether the chime is mechanical or electronic by removing the cover of the chime. If there's no existing chime, skip ahead. Next, let's unbox the Alula Video Doorbell. In this box, you will find the Alula Video Doorbell, power kit, and mounting hardware. Go ahead and remove the existing chime wires to terminals labeled front and trans. Note the existing wires connected to the trans and front terminals on the chime. Connect the new wire harness to the chime's terminals. Connect the chime's wire to the wire harness. Connect the wire harness power kit to the wire harness provided in the box. Pro tip: some installations may have 2 chimes to wire to the power kit. Connect the 2 soldered ends of the power kit's wiring harness to the trans and front terminals of the chime. Polarity doesn't matter. Mount the power kit to the chime molding. Place the chime cover back on the chime. Pro tip: when no indoor chime is present, connect the fuse wire. Remove the existing doorbell button with a screwdriver. Using a pencil or marker, mark the drill points on the leveling plate. Drill holes at the marked points and insert the plastic anchors. Now we can wire the Alula Video Doorbell to the chime's wire using the U-shaped wires. Depending on the position of the doorbell and the front door, install the provided flat or angle plate and make sure that it's level. Our next step is connecting the U-wires to the Alula Video Doorbell. Install the Alula Video Doorbell to the mounting plate using the mounting screws provided in the box. You can now turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Once the doorbell starts flashing blue, scan the QR code that can be found on both the manual or on the front of the Alula Video Doorbell. Follow the install wizard on the app as it leads you through the enrollment process. A voice from the doorbell will talk you through the install steps.
Please use app for device Wi-Fi configuration. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait.
In the app, select the chime for mechanical, electronic, or none, depending on what kind of chime is in the home. Don't forget to test the Video Doorbell two-way voice. Hello, who's there? Install the provided cover on the Video Doorbell. Your install is now complete.